is of a reputed scientific firm, including the American Chemical Society. Professionally, Malika served as the lecturer in the biotechnology with teaching experts aligned with biomedical engineering and biomedical science curricula, including laboratory instructions and practical training. Her academic role has strengthened her ability to effectively integrate theoretical knowledge with the applied biomedical and biotechnological practice. With a strong commitment to research devising education, innovation, and interdisciplinary collaboration with Ms. Malika Disanayake seek to further advance her academic and professional careers in biomedical science, biomedical technology, researches, and develop of the sustainable healthcare architecture. Please, I invite you, Ms. Malika Disanayake, start the sessions. Over to you. Thank you.
So, thank you for your nice introduction, Dr. Samurdhi. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Malika Disanayake from the Department of Biomedical Engineering and Biomedical Science, Faculty of Life Sciences at ESOFT UNI. Thank you for joining today's webinar's title, Exploring Career Pathways in Biomedical Engineering, Biomedical Science and Biotechnology. I am really happy to see so many of you here because this session is not just about the degrees, it is about your future careers, your impact on healthcare, and the role you can play in improving human lives. So, the webinar is important for three main reasons. The first, the healthcare and life science industries are growing rapidly both in Sri Lanka and globally. And also, there is a high demand for skilled professionals, but many students feel unsure about which pathway suits for them, and also whether they should choose engineering or pure sciences, and what jobs are actually available after the graduations. So many students choose a degree without full understand the career opportunities. Today's session is designed to remove that confusion. By the end of this webinar, you should clearly understand what each field is about, what kind of jobs you can do, and which pathway is suitable for your interest. Although biomedical engineering, biomedical science, and biotechnology are different, they all share one common mission like advancing human health and improving quality of life. Think this healthcare as a team. So, biomedical engineers build the tools, biomedical scientists diagnose the diseases, and biotechnologists develop biological solutions using technology. So, together they form the backbone of modern medicine. So, that's why I told the biomedical engineer as the builder, biomedical science as the investigator, and biotechnology as the innovator. If we consider about one real-world examples, like let's say cancer diagnostic and the treatment, the biomedical engineers design advanced medical technologies like MRI, CT scanners, biopsy needles, and radiation therapy machines. These tools allows doctors to see tumors, locate them precisely, and deliver targeted treatment without damaging healthy tissues. Then, biomedical scientists use these tools to analyze blood samples, tissue biopsies, and generic markers. They identify the type of the cancer, its stage, and how aggressive it is. Finally, the biotechnologists develop targeted cancer therapies such as monoclonal antibodies and personalized medicine that attack the cancer cells. So, let's start with the biomedical engineering. The biomedical engineering is a field that combines engineering principles with medicine and biology. Biomedical engineers design medical devices, develop healthcare technologies, and work closely with doctors and hospitals. So, if you enjoy with the biology, maths, physics, problem solving, and technology together, this field is ideal for you. Some real-life applications of biomedical engineering are medical devices, biomaterials, medical imaging, tissue engineering, and rehabilitation engineering. Every time doctor uses a medical equipment, a biomedical engineer has worked behind the scenes. So, in here we will discuss about what are the career pathways in biomedical engineering. As the potential career roles, you can work as the biomedical engineer and also the medical device design engineer. And you can work as a quality and regulatory affairs officer and the clinical engineer that manages and maintains the medical technology in clinical settings. And also you can work as a research scientist who conducts the experiments to advance biomedical knowledge and technologies. And also you can work as a healthcare technology consultant. As the key employment sectors, we can identify the hospitals, medical device companies, research institutes, as well as the regulatory bodies. So, if you are willing to go with the biomedical engineering, these are the potential career pathways that related to the biomedical engineering. So, now let's move to the biotechnology. Biotechnology uses living cells, microorganisms, and biological systems to develop the products for healthcare, pharmaceuticals, agriculture, and industry. If you are loving to biology, innovations, and research, biotechnology is a strong choice to your career pathway. Then there are several types of biotechnology like pharmaceutical biotechnology, industrial biotechnology, agricultural biotechnology, and also environmental biotechnology. Including the major applications are vaccine development, cancer therapies, gene editing technology, and biopharmaceutical drug productions, etc. So, in here, you can clearly identify what are the career pathways that related to the biotechnology. As the potential career roles, you can work as the biotechnologist who applies the biological systems to develop products and processes. And also, you can work as a bioprocess engineer who designs and optimizes large-scale biological production systems. And you can work as a quality control or quality assurance officer that ensures the product quality, safety, and compliance with standards. And also, you can conduct the experiments to development of new biotech products as the research and development scientist. And regulatory affairs executive who manage the approvals and compliances with the national and international regulators. As the key employment sector, you can work in the biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies, and also the research laboratories and institute, academic and applied research in the life sciences. And most of the manufacturing industries like bioprocessing, fermentation, and large-scale production. And also you can work in the innovation-driven companies like biotech startups focusing on new technologies. So these are the potential career pathways that related to the biotechnology. In here, next is the biomedical science, a highly laboratory-focused discipline. The biomedical scientists study about the diseases, analyze the patient samples, and support doctors with accurate diagnostic results. If you really enjoy the lab works, microscope testing, and analysis part, this field is perfect for you. So, key areas of the biomedical science is pathology to identify the diseases and study of the diseases, the microbiology to bacteria and viruses identification and studies, immunology with the immune system, and the molecular biology about the DNA and genes. So in here, you can clearly identify what are the career pathways in biomedical science. As the potential career roles, you can work as a medical laboratory scientist who performs the test on patient samples to diagnose disease and conditions. And also, you can work as the clinical research associate who coordinates and monitors clinical trials to test new medical treatments. And you can manage and maintain the laboratory equipment for accurate diagnostics as the diagnostic laboratory officer. And also, you can work as the academic researcher who conducts the laboratory studies to advance medical and scientific knowledge. And you can investigate the causes and trends of diseases in population in public health scientist. And as the pharmaceutical research assistant, you can support pharmaceutical research to develop new drugs and therapies. As the key employment sectors, you can work at the hospitals and diagnostic labs for the clinical testing, diagnostic and patient care, and also in the universities for academic research and teaching process, and the research institute for the medical and scientific research conducting, and also in the public health organizations like epidemiology, disease prevention, and public health programs. So, I think now you already clear with what are the biomedical engineering, biomedical science, and biotechnology, and what are the career pathways that related to these three interconnected fields. So, these are the programs currently offered by ESOFT UNI under the Department of Biomedical Engineering and Applied Sciences. We have HND, which means the Higher National Diploma in Biomedical Engineering for 18 months programs, and also Higher National Diploma in Applied Sciences Biotechnology program for 18 months awarded from the Pearson UK. And also we have the B Engineer Honours in Biomedical Engineering program affiliated with the London Metropolitan University for 1 year. And we have conducted the Level 3 Diploma in Applied Sciences for 6-month program under the ESU Department of Biomedical Engineering and Applied Sciences. So we are also launching 2 new programs like BSc Honours in Biomedical Sciences and BSc Honours in Biomedical Sciences 3-year program affiliated with the London Metropolitan University. And these are the branches that we offer in these programs, the Colombo branch and the Kandy branch at ESOFT University. So here is the clear academic pathway for these all programs. For the Level 3 Diploma in Applied Sciences program, you need as an entry requirements 3 S passes of in your O-level examinations for the science, maths and English. So if you are willing to conduct the Higher National Diploma in Biomedical Engineering or Higher National Diploma in Applied Science Biotechnology program, the entry requirements for 2 passes in A-levels in biology or maths or technology HND in Biomedical Engineering or Biotechnology programs. After that, by completing these higher national diplomas in biomedical engineering, you can enroll for the B Engineer Honours in Biomedical Engineering or BSc Honours in Biomedical Sciences program. So, this is the clear academic pathway for these all programs. And also, after you completing your higher national diploma in biomedical engineering or higher national diploma in applied sciences, if you are interested for an internship, we provide a guaranteed internship from these companies like Maelstad Hospital Ragama, Haley's International and Biomedite Internationals, as well as the Gene Lab Medicals, like internationally recognized companies. So after you complete in your higher national diploma in biomedical engineering or applied sciences, if you are willing to do the internship, we are offered the guaranteed internship from these internationally recognized companies. So this is the end of this webinar program. I want to end with this message. You are not just choosing a course, you are choosing the problems you want to solve, the impact you want to make, and the lives you want to improve. One day, whether you become an engineer or a scientist or a biotechnologist, you will be a part of the future of healthcare. So, thank you very much for your time and attention, and I wish you all the very best in your academic and professional journey. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them. You can put them on the chat box. Thank you all. Dr. Samurdhi, over to you.
Thank you, Ms. Malika. If anyone having questions? Okay. Behalf of audience, shall I ask some questions from Ms. Malika? This is my questions. What are the entry requirements needed for the biomedical engineering top-up degree as a ESU?
Yes, doctor. As an entry requirement of biomedical engineering top-up one-year programs, the student have the HND in biomedical engineering qualifications with the minimum C passes in their O-level examinations for maths and English. I will explain this answer in Sinhala because already all can understand it clearly. Yeah. දැන් අපේ ESU එකේ top up biomedical engineering one year program එකට entry requirement එකක් විදිහට අපේ students ලගෙන් බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ higher national diploma in biomedical engineering qualification එකත් එක්ක ඒ ළමයාගේ O level maths and English with minimum C passes. Then student can enroll for the biomedical engineering top up one year programs.
Yeah, sure. One more question from the audience is Malika. Can I please know from which university do we get the degree offered from?
Yeah. For the biomedical engineering top-up degree, it's affiliated with the London Metropolitan University and the higher national diploma from the Pearson, UK.
Okay. I will move to another question. It's okay to join the HND Biomedical Engineering or Applied Science programs without doing advanced level in the biology, maths or technology stream. Actually, I am in the commerce as an audience. It's common commerce students. If you are really like to join the HND program, are they allowed? Commerce කරපු කෙනෙක් හරි මොන streams වලින්ද අපිට මේක කරන්න පුළුවන්?
Oh, Dr. Samurdhi, ඇත්තටම HND in Applied Sciences program එක. එහෙම නැත්නම් HND in Biomedical Engineering program එකට entry requirement එක විදිහට student තියෙන්න ඕනි minimum 2 passes of the A levels from the science or technology streams. හැබැයි අපි හිතමු දැන් මේ student ගේ scenario එකේදී student commerce stream එකෙන් තමයි A levels කරලා තියෙන්නේ. නමුත් student interested for the doing the HND in Applied Sciences program. එතකොට as an optional way මේ student පුළුවන් අපේ level 3 diploma එක foundational course එක කරලා directly enroll වෙන්න HND in Biomedical Science. එහෙම නැත්නම් HND in Applied Sciences Biotechnology program එකට.
Okay. I will move another more questions. Are there any practical modules related to HND or top-up? Because most of the student interest to practical ways. අපේ මොනවා හරි practicals තියෙනවද? දැන් robotic ඒ වගේ මොනවද අපේ තියෙන modules? මොකද දැන් ගොඩක් technology එකත් එක්ක move වෙනවා ළමයි practical පැත්තට.
Yeah.
අපේ මොනවද ඒ වගේ modules තියෙන්නේ?
Oh, Dr. Samurdhi, අපේ several practical modules තියෙනවා both programs for HND in Biomedical Engineering and HND in Applied Sciences Biotechnology program. For an examples for the Biomedical Engineering programs, like the modules like analog electronic systems, robotics, and digital principles, those are highly practical oriented modules. And for the biomedical engineer, For the applied sciences programs, the fundamentals of lab techniques, biochemistry, genetics and molecular biology, as well as the biotechnology techniques, these are the modules are highly practical oriented modules. So yes, we have several practicals modules for both HND in biomedical engineering and applied sciences programs.
I will move to another question. This is last questions from my side. Can we do the part-time this because most of people working here, I think. මේ අපිට part time කරන්න පුළුවන් full time නැතුව work කරන කෙනෙක්ට මේක join වෙනවා.
ඩොක්ටර් සමර්දේව. අපේ ස්ටුඩන්ට්ගේ රික්වයර්මන්ට් එක අනුව අපි ඔෆර් කරනවා ෆුල් ටයිම් සහ පාර්ට් ටයිම් කියන ඔප්ෂන්ස් දෙකම. අපි හිතමු දැන් ස්ටුඩන්ට් ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකේ වර්ක් කරන කෙනෙක් නම් එයාගේ රික්වෙස්ට් එක අනුව එයා කැමති පාර්ට් ටයිම් ප්‍රිෆර් කරන්න නම් අපි එයාගේ රික්වයර්මන්ට් එක අනුව ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එක ඔෆර් කරනවා ෆුල් ටයිම් and part time විදිහට. It's based on the student requirements.
Thank you, Ms. Malika. In audience, okay. Thank you, Ms. Malika. The audience from another section, Ms. Abhinaya asking to, is this course finishing 1 year? Can I know which course are you looking, Ms. Abhinaya? Shall we wait for her answer? Another question. Does it require to have C pass in English subject from all levels when we are going to do the degree even after the completing the HND Biomedical Engineering?
Yeah. It's
Shall I
required.
repeat that?
No, doctor.
Yes.
Yeah. If you are completed the HND in biomedical engineering, as a requirement for the doing the HND in biomedical engineering, it requires the C passes in English subject for the O levels. So, if you are complete the HND in biomedical engineering, it is okay to do the degree, but you have the English qualifications from some diploma or courses without the O level C passes.
Okay, I will move to previous questions. She's asking this course finished on 1 year. She is looking for the biomedical engineering. I think it's a top-up one. She will look in.
Sorry, doctor, could you please repeat that questions again?
This Ms. Abhinaya asking biomedical engineering can be finished within 1 year.
The biomedical engineering top-up programs for 1 year, it will be finished within the 1 year, but for the higher national diploma in biomedical engineering program is for the 18 months, 1.5 year.
One more question. Is any chance for biomedical engineering student to study a human body with practical like dissections?
Sorry, doctor, can you?
Is there any chance for biomedical engineering student to study about human body with practical like dissection? It's like anatomy.
Yeah. For the biomedical engineering higher national diploma programs, we have the modules like anatomy and human physiology. We covered all the theory parts of the anatomy and human physiology under these modules. As in practicals, we cannot do the live practicals with the human bodies, but we can use some kind of the artificial organs to study the human organs and other things, doctor.
Aman, I will add this way. This is a biomedical engineering. Then normally practical anatomy going to be the medical students and the who's related to medical field, paramedical, and the medical students can be do the practical sessions as my knowledge. Then one more question. I also have completed the PET exam. I don't know what is the meaning that. Hemita, can you explain what is your questions and then we can give the answer. Another question, what are the chances that I have to get industrial experience? Are you giving internship for biomedical engineering?
Yes, doctor.
She's asking
I
industrial
already
experience.
Yeah, I already explained in the slide also. We offered the internship from the guaranteed companies like Melster Hospital, Ragama for the biomedical engineering related ones, and the Gene Labs Medicals and the Biomedite Internationals, like those international recognized organizations. We offered the industrial training for the students for the biomedical engineering as well.
One more question. Fatima asking when we start in this process.
So mostly we have the two intakes for the February intake and the September intake. Then yeah, followed that order, we are started at the February intake as well as the September intake. In case we can start the another one.
One more. Yes.
Sorry, doctor, I can't hear you.
Okay, you can go ahead, Ms. Malika.
Yeah, most probably there are two intakes per year, February intake and the September intake. In case we can take the July intake as well, but it's not most probably February and the September intake we are offered.
Okay. Ms. Nidarshika asking, can we conduct any researchers during BSc Honors in Biomedical Science?
I think she asking, can she conduct any research during the BSc Honors in Biomedical Science? Yeah, we are going to launch the BSc Honors in Biomedical Sciences program under the Department of Biomedical Engineering and Applied Sciences at the ESOFT UNI. So, yeah, you can conduct the research studies according to the Biomedical Sciences program. Definitely, it has the requirements for the Applied Science Research project.
One more question. It's a top-up available in the Biomedical Technology.
Yeah. Up to now, we don't have the top-up for the biotechnology in applied sciences, but we are willing to start the applied sciences top-up programs also in the September.
Okay. Ms. Himali again asking, she's explained the question. Does it require to have a C pass in the English subject from the O levels when we are going to do degree even after complete HND Biomedical Engineering? I also have completed PT exam.
No. Then if you already completed the PTA exams, then no need the passes of the C passes in English subject for the O levels, definitely. If you completed the PTA exams.
Sankalp Engineering course content.
Yeah, for the biomedical engineering courses, we do the as the first semester anatomy and human physiology and the analog electronic systems, robotics, digital principles, like those things. If you need further informations, you can directly contact our course coordinator. I will share his number, Mr. Tarusha Pereira. If you are willing to do the course programs and if you are willing to get and more informations about the courses, you can directly contact our program coordinator, Mr. Tarusha.
Yeah, thank you, Ms. Malika. I think we can get more information from our coordinators. Here you can have the number 217. If anyone more inquiries, more details from you can have Mr. Tarusha. And once again, I am very thankful to Ms. Malika Disanayaga for such as it's inspiring and informative sessions. Your journey, experience, and the prospects to have truly enriched our understanding of biomedical engineering and biomedical science, the many career pathways they offered. And I'm very thankful for our audience, very active audience we had, and so many questions asking. Once again, thank you so much joining us. And we would like to waiting for you join into ESU and start your career pathway and the academic pathway with ESU. Thank you once again, audience, and our honor key speaker, Ms. Malika Disanayaga.